Useful phrasal verbs with examples. Speak up. To speak louder. Please speak up so that the people at the back of the room can hear you. Talk over. To discussing something with someone in order to reach a decision. Let's talk over what we want to do today. Abide by. To respect or obey a decision, a law or a rule. If you want to keep your job here, you must abide by our rules. Butt in. To interrupt into a conversation or situation without being invited. She tends to butt in with irrelevant comments. Back away. To move backwards in fear or dislike. When he saw the bear, he backed away in fright. Call off. To cancel something. The game was called off because of bad weather. Die down. To calm down, become less strong. After the storm died down, we went outside to see the damage it had caused. Ease off. To reduce, become less severe or slow down, pain, traffic, work. Traffic usually eases off about 9 p.m. Figure out. To understand, find the answer. She is trying to figure out how to earn enough money to go on the trip to Paris. Hand in. To return or submit. Please hand in your papers before Friday. To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.